Hi guys, Susie underscore Ken here. Today I've decided to shoot this video from here in Minnesota. I wanted to show you how we received a snowstorm during Valentine Day. And today it's 5 days ago since Valentine Day. So guys, we really had a very white Valentine Day because we had a snowstorm. And it was so scary, guys. Even the movement on the roads was very difficult. Guys, if it is your first time to come across this channel, consider subscribing, share my videos, like it, comment. Yeah, I love you guys. So I want to move you around and show you how we had a snowstorm and still we have so much snow on the ground, guys. It's really another thing you can be able to see by yourself, guys. So welcome to White Valentine Day, guys. Yeah, so guys, starting from this point, I can be able to walk you around and see how much snow is on the ground, and you can tell how much snow we received here on Valentine Day, guys. So guys, you can be able to view around and see how much snow is on the ground. But remember, the roads are very, very clear now. This is how this area looks like. You can tell even from the housetops. There's some snow on the housetops. If you can be able to see on the houses, on the roofs of the houses, there's so much snow there. But guys, let me just walk you around and you can be able to see. Yeah, the day looks bright and sunny, but it's really very, very cold, and actually the wind is blowing so hard. So guys, but I've decided I have to show you around, guys. Yeah, let me just walk you down here, somewhere here to some kind of a park. I'm walking you to a park which is near here. Yeah, and that is a church over there. Yeah guys, right there, I'm sorry, I'm just against the sun. Right there, that is a church. Right there, that is a church. See, that is the name of the church right there. So, and this is the surrounding, guys. The wind is blowing so hard. Yeah, this is the surrounding of this area. Yes, and that is another church over there. Yeah guys, you see, there are some people, there are some two guys ahead of me. You can see how they are dressed, guys. So you can tell how cold this day is. It's really very, very cold. So this is the surrounding. That is a church over there. I'm sorry, it's against the sun. And I'm coming from the other side right there. This is the surrounding, guys. See how much snow is on the ground. Yeah. Yes, guys. It's really very, very cold. Let me walk you down here, guys. And you can be able to see how much snow is all over here and how cold this day should be. Guys, that is a church over there. That's a church. And this is the gate. Yeah, and that is the name of the church right there. Yeah. And right here, down here we have a park. Guys, this is a park here, but you know, the ground of the park is covered by snow all over. You see, this snow has been plowed. It has been put aside, but you can see how much snow is here. Guys, I'm sorry I'm focusing against the sun. I cannot be able to avoid it because I'm walking this way. Yeah, guys. And this is the church over here. This is the church over here. It's a church premise. Yeah, guys. And that is the parking lot of the church. Right here. It's really very, very cold, guys. We have not been experiencing snow for quite some time. Here in Minnesota, we start experiencing snow from early November through somewhere there in April. But now something strange happened in this season. So last year, November, we didn't see that snow starting. So from November, December, January, we didn't have any snow. And this is February, guys. And during the Valentine Day, that is when we had, oh, this is snow. That's when we saw this snow coming down. And it came down in a storm, guys. And it was really very scary. The roads were very slippery. This snow fall up to 6 inches, guys. That's why you see so much snow down. And actually sometimes when the snow falls, sometimes it melts when the temperatures are up, like when the temperatures are going like 45 or 40s. We experience now the snow starting melting and it evaporates from the ground. But now there is a lot of snow on the grounds, so that's why you see, oh, this is snow because the temperature is so low, guys. It's freezing. Today it's freezing and windy. So guys, this is how the condition is in our area in Minnesota here. It's really very, very cold. Guys, you can see now, this is our situation here. Sometimes when it is summertime, this is a place where people come and they chill. It is a park, actually, guys. It's a park. You can see somewhere there's some kind of a chair. You can come and relax here. Yeah, it is a park. It's a free park, open for everybody. But now you cannot be able to access this park because it's covered by snow all over and the temperatures are so low. You cannot risk coming here during winter time. Actually, during winter time, the parks are out of place because you cannot be able to access there. The conditions is so unbearable because of the low temperatures, and there is snow everywhere because you cannot come and enjoy here on the snow, guys. Yeah, this is just a small park, but there are some other big parks everywhere here in Minnesota. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you how we are feeling right now because the condition is really unbearable. But you know what? It cannot bar us from doing our things, or it cannot bar people from doing their things. Actually, that is a church over there. Guys, that is a church. You see, some people are coming out of the church. It's a very big church, guys. See that? Yeah, it's a very big church. That's a church right there. Some people are coming out of the church, guys. You see that? Yeah, guys, so this is how this place looks like with the condition of snow during this time of winter. Yeah, see how much snow is here. So I said that is the church. That's a church over there. I'm sorry. I'm just focusing against the sun because I cannot avoid. I want to show you some things here, guys. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a small parking lot here. Yeah, it's a small parking lot. Guys, do you see how much snow is here? Too much snow on the ground. Too much snow on the ground, guys. Yeah. These trees are casting their shades here. That's why you see some shades here. But guys, you see too much snow on the ground. You see how people have dressed themselves. You can tell how cold it is, guys. Yeah, so guys, this is how this place looks like. This is the condition of our current situation here. Across there, those are houses and the townhomes. Yeah, so guys, so, and that is a fire station right there. It's a fire station. Yeah, and this other place here, these are people's houses. Yeah, guys. Guys, you can tell the roads are very clear, but in these other areas, too much snow, guys. Yeah, these are people's houses, guys. Can tell here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you can tell how cold it is. It's really very cold and chilly. Like if you walk a long distance, you can be attacked by frostbite. Guys, you can tell how cold and chilly it is from the look of this environment. Yeah, guys, allow me to end this video here because the day is really very, very cold and it's kind of drizzling like it wants to snow again. So guys, until next time, in the next video, bye bye. Thank you for watching.